Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. When we think of South Indian breakfast, all we get into our mind is idli sambar, dosa and poori. Poori, everybody like it. From children to elders, everybody like this puffed pooris, but with a delicious curry, So today let us see restaurant style poori curry. All we need over here is half a kg potatoes, boil them nicely and then put it aside. And I have taken medium sized onion and slit, and again 5 to 7 chilies. Now take a cup and add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour into it, and then add water, and then see that there are no lumps in that and make it into a fine paste. See, like this, there are no lumps formed. This is the right consistency. Now take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil and add the chopped onions and chilies into it. Give it a nice stir and then add half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and again give it a nice stir. Here what we need to put into our mind is onions need not be fried into dark brown color. See, potatoes are nicely boiled. When you cut it into pieces, some get into a nice shape, the others they just get crumbled. This is okay because that crumbled potatoes gives a creamier texture to our potato curry. So chop nicely and put it aside. On the other hand, as I have told you earlier, just allow the onions to turn transparent. That's it. So at this time, add turmeric and ginger garlic paste and give it a nice stir. If the turmeric you have added is not enough, add a little bit more. That is, for me, I have added 1 full tablespoon of turmeric into it. Let all the rawness of turmeric go out, and then add the boiled potatoes into the pan and give it a nice stir. Do not over smash the potatoes. Cover it for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes and then remove the lid and add salt to taste. Here I have added 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Now again allow the salt to mix well, so give it a nice stir. Now add water. For this water you don't have any quantity because you just need the potatoes to get drenched in the water or soaked in the water nicely. The water should cover the potatoes. That's it. Now close the lid and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Once you get this consistency, then add this besan paste into it. First add a little bit of it and then again stir it nicely. If you get the correct consistency, then it's okay. See, when I have stirred it nicely, I didn't get that fine texture. I have got like water consistency, so I have added the remaining also. Now you can see that I have got a creamier texture. See, when you stir it only, you will get to know the texture has changed. Now see, I have got this creamy texture. This is the consistency. Now simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes and allow it to boil. The first thing you need to remember is do not add more besan paste into it because that turns into a Bombay chutney rather poori curry. And the other thing is do not overboil after adding besan because that forms a lather on top of it and that will also spoil the taste of the poori curry. Just put these two in your mind and serve this curry with puffed pooris and enjoy your breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.